Trees are incredible allies in our fight against climate change. They absorb carbon dioxide, one of the main greenhouse gases, and store it in their trunks, branches, and roots. Just imagine, a single mature tree can absorb about 48 pounds of CO2 each year. That's like taking a car off the road for a whole month. Plus, they release oxygen, which we need to breathe. By planting and protecting trees, we're not just beautifying our environment, we're actively reducing the carbon footprint and creating a healthier planet for future generations. Every tree counts in this battle against climate change.